Guys, I'm here at Les Fermes du Quatre-Temps. We're on day one of this workshop, so this video is going to be way later than it was recorded. But I wanted to show you the new composting spreader implement they're using here at the farm. It's really cool. It's made of aluminum, and it's interchangeable between a compost spreader that has a narrow focus and somebody stands in the back and rakes the compost out, and then that spreads onto the bed, and then they can change the fins to the other way and then open two other drawers on the back, and then it's set up to drop wood chips into the walkway. So it's super simple, appropriate technology, and it's still the only thing they use a tractor for on this farm, is to spread compost and wood chips. So this farm is not based around using a tractor whatsoever. None of the production is based on a tractor, but for spreading compost, it's just practical, because to hoof a wheelbarrow up half a mile at the end of this farm is just not practical. So the tractor is certainly needed for that, and it might only get used once a season. So I thought I would explain that to you guys and show it to you, because it's super helpful. It's a short video. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button, like and share them with your friends, and check out my mailing list down below if you want to get an email from me each week, tips and tricks, and a blog that I'm writing each week on Medium. All right guys, talk to you later.